W with MRMIKE.
Hello everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to learn how to draw a football helmet. This looks like a very complex drawing, but don't worry, we only need 3 basic lines and shapes to create this. A circle, an arc, and a line. Can you believe that? Only 3 basic lines and shapes to create this football helmet? Let's see how it all fits together. First, we're going to create a large arc. Let's start right about here on the paper, and we're going to go all the way around to right about here and stop. Next, we're going to create an arc here at the bottom, and then we'll do an opposite arc like that. Okay, and stop. There, we'll add a circle here, and then another circle around it. Okay, next we're going to start at the top here, and we're going to create an arc that's going to go all the way down to here. So follow along. If you need to, pause this video at any point to catch up. That's okay. And then we're going to make another arc right here, and that will go all the way down to about here. You don't want it to go all the way down here. You'll have it stop a little short. Next, we're going to make 2 arcs. One, and then we'll do a line, and then we'll do another arc here, like that. And then we're going to draw another arc right here. Now pause the video if you need to catch up, okay? This is a very complicated drawing. There's a lot of steps. So next we're going to do another arc, and that's going to start here and will come out. It's a wide arc. And then we're going to add another one. See how this arc comes in, and we're going to take a space and we'll put our marker or our drawing material down and continue another arc. And you want to have that follow the same curve as this one. Now we'll have another arc to finish this off here. And then we're going to do a similar thing up here, except we're going to have an arc come down here and here. We're going to have this arc start up here and have it come out. And then we'll do the same thing down here. And follow the same curve as the one above it. And we extend it out just a little bit. And then we'll finish that off with an arc on the outside there. Next, we're going to make another arc right here. So many arcs. Arc is a very useful tool in drawing. We use that a lot. And next, we're just going to connect this with I think you can just use a line to connect this. Right there. So look at what we have created so far. We're just going to finish this arc right off there. Just finish that off. Connect those lines. Look what we've created so far. So this is very complex. We're going to keep adding to this whole front part of the helmet, and we need to create more arcs here. So we'll start here, right about there on the paper. I don't know if you can see that dot that I just made. And we're going to have a curve go this way now. Okay, and then another arc here. And then we will do straight down, a line, and then another line. Now we're going to go skip over to this part right here, and we're going to have our arc come in and around like this. And then we're going to do another one starting here, going down and around like this. And then we'll do 2 lines, one here and one here. This is looking pretty good. Great job following along, everybody. Now we're almost done. We have just a few more things to do. So let's add a small arc here, and then we're going to add a big arc right here. And then we'll do another arc, and then a line here. And then what I'd like to do is I'd like to add another curve right here. So we're going to add another arc, and then an opposite arc, and have it come around and meet it all the way up to that line there. And then we can just draw a straight line here to close that off. We're almost there. One arc at the top here, and then another right here. And then we only have two more things to add. We're going to add another arc going all the way around as if there's a stripe on top of the helmet. So let's see, I'm going to turn my paper to make it easier for me to draw this arc, because this is a big arc and I want to make sure my hand can drag properly across the whole page. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to come all the way around. See how I'm turning my hand to match the curve. Just turn your hand as you match the curve. Now I'm going to turn my paper back, and I'm going to add a circle to the last piece. Add a circle right here. And you can put, instead of a circle, you can draw your favorite football team's logo right here. Okay, I'm just going to put a circle here, but you can put your favorite team's logo there. All right, next, I'm just gonna finish this off by doing a thick black outline around the whole thing. Okay, and I do that sometimes. I don't do it all the time, but sometimes I like to do that with my drawings. And it just adds another level of detail and finishes the drawing, makes it look nice. So I'm going to add this thick black outline all on the outside. And I'm just pushing a little harder on the marker to make the line thicker. Or if you have a marker like this, you can tilt it a little bit to the side and you'll get a thicker line. So remember, if at any point you need to pause this video to catch up, you can always pause it and catch up and then play it again, or watch the video over. Okay, because this is a very complex drawing. We only used, what did we use? 3 basic lines and shapes to create this. We used the circle, we used the arc. We used a lot of arcs, didn't we? And we used a line. And if you follow along with all the steps, something so difficult looking, so complex, becomes a lot easier when you break it down into small and simple steps. Okay, and I'm just going to add in a thick black outline right here. And there we are. Great job, everyone. I am so proud of you for creating this very complex drawing. Great football helmet. Thanks so much for drawing with me. And remember, subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.